case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a landmark decision involving the Confrontation Clause, the Supreme Court of the United States, in 2011, ruled on a case known as Michigan v. Bryant. The Confrontation Clause stipulates that a defendant has the constitutional right to face their accusers in court, but questions arose surrounding the admissibility of a dying declaration, made in context of an emergency, not for future use in a trial. The case's genesis stems from a situation in which police officers found a mortally wounded Anthony Covington in a gas station parking lot. As the officers awaited the arrival of medical professionals, Covington told them about his shooter and where the incident occurred. This identification and his narrative was later used in court to convict Richard Bryant for second-degree murder. The validity of the victim's statements, however, was later questioned by the Supreme Court of Michigan, which overturned Bryant's conviction. This ruling was on the grounds that the use of Covington's last words violated Bryant's legal right to confront his witnesses directly. Bryant's case then found itself before the U.S. Supreme Court, which took a differing stance from their Michigan counterparts. The court held Covington's final statements were made amidst ongoing emergency circumstances and were therefore admissible. The court further clarified that Covington's dying words were not intended to be future trial evidence, but to aid ongoing police assistance, thus not violating the Confrontation Clause. In consequence, the court overturned Michigan's highest court ruling, vacating the previous judgment against Bryant. However, the Supreme Court's decision was not the end for the matter. Skeptical of Michigan's implementing rules of hearsay and due process, the court ordered for the case to be remanded for further review to verify whether the state laws sanction the victim's statements as legally admissible.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class